I was gonna go skate, but there's water in one of the bowls and the birds are hogging all the water. I'm telling you, the birds are hogging all the water. And so I can't do that. And then I was gonna do a swan dive off of here, but they're doing some work on it, so I can't really mess with it. There's some kind of wet stone work here, so I can't swan dive, plus the birds are hogging the water. And nothing I could stand less is birds hogging the water. That's what I said. And them birds gotta hog the water. All the birds always hogging the water. Water, water, water.
The early
water.
Europeans that come there, they didn't like the blacks. They didn't like the native people. Well, then the native people, the colored people knew if they could be native, they could be free native. Well, they didn't like that. But in their laws, it's included that you're either black or you're white. And the other one they didn't like, and this is the part that I really got astonished by, they included lesser whites. I thought, really? So it was all about privilege, if you were privileged. Well, I am privileged to stand amongst my relatives. Mataquias, and we all are one. We have some wonderful singers here, and Lucy Murphy and her friends are the greatest singers around. We love them. They're here to entertain you today. Don't go away, because we have a lot of good speakers. There's also, if you want to hear more about the indigenous people, the indigenous women that are disappearing, we have an activist here that's also come from Minneapolis that wants to talk to you about that and make you aware. Let's hear it for Lucy Murphy and her friends.
I have with me members of the Black Workers Center Chorus. We have Waida, who has the drum, and next to her is Amal Nur El Huda. I should have said Waida, who's originally from Peru. Amal Nur El Huda, who's originally from Sudan, and Karen Andrea Morales Chacana, who is originally from Chile, and some other people may be joining us, like Karen Wilson Ama Achefu, who is from New York. Can everybody say, ain't you got a right?
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 To the tree of life. To the tree of life. That's the repeated line that I want you all to give us throughout this song. And I'll sing my part, and I'm gonna sing everybody else's part. Ain't you got a right? Ain't you got a right? Let's do that again. Ain't you got a right? I can't hear you. Ain't you got a right? 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 Ain't you got a right to the tree of life, to the tree of life. Now, I didn't hear you all sing to the tree of life, so we're going to do that again. To the tree of life. One more time. To the tree of life. Ain't you got a right? Ain't you got a right? Ain't you got a right to the tree of life? You can tell my sisters, you can tell my brothers, you can tell it to the world tree of life. We come from the distance. We come from the distance. But we gotta ride to the tree of life. Our life will be sweeter. Our life will be sweeter. 'Cause we gotta ride to the tree of life. Wida has a special offering for us.
I saw some longest walkers around here, actually, and I would love for them to join in this song that we sang in 2016 upon arriving to this city, Piscataway Lake. Yeah. Stand or come on up, please. This song is called Mother Earth. It was composed by Dennis Banks.
These are some of the long walkers that have walked across the country, not only once, but several times. We got all the way right here somewhere. All the way. All the way. All the way. Here he comes. I'll tell you what, you know, it's great to stand here with Spike Moss, to stand here with All the Way. These guys are legends, and to walk with legends is an honor for me. And the same with these long walkers here, these gals over here. They have sacrificed walks across the country for Indian folks and their rights, and have done it many times. So, Anna, go ahead and give us the song. You singing it, right?
That's all right, Lucy will. All right, this is called Mother Earth, and it's Mother Earth and I are one. She loves me and I love her. Mother Earth and I are one. She loves me and I love her. Way a hi ya ya, way a hi yo, way a hi ya ya, way a hi yo, way a hi yo. He just got back from Wounded Knee. FBI, they shot at me. Way a hi ya ya, way a hi yo, way a hi ya ya, way a hi yo, way a hi yo. La Jolla is where they were on their way to Washington. Way a hi ya ya, way a hi yo, way a hi ya ya, way a hi yo, way a hi yo. I remember Standing Rock. Standing Rock is where they were on high, ya, ya, way high, yo. Way high, ya, ya, way high, yo. Way high, yo. Wounded Knee is where they were on their way to Washington. Way high, ya, ya, way high, yo. Way high, ya, ya, way high, yo. Way high, yo.
Oh, the Long Walkers, thank you all. We got one more song, and recognize John back here. He wasn't on the walk, but believe me, when it got here to DC, it happened because of John in most cases. He's behind the scenes a lot and does make it happen, just as he does make it happen here today. All right, one more song, and then we're going to have Lori Paul. You're up next, but one more song from the Walkers.
From singers. we're in this movement with other folks here in the circle, not the audience, the circle. And please raise your hand if you're a water protector. Raise your fist. I see at least one. I see a bunch of fists. Some fists. All right. So this song is for you guys. It's called Water is Life. And it's to the tune of Wade in the Water. Water is life for the people. Water is alive. We must protect the water. We must protect the life. Water is life for the people. Water is alive. We must protect the water. We must protect the water. Have you seen those children in red?
We must protect the water.
Must be the children that bear the lead.
We must protect the water.
The water is alive. Oh, water is life for the people. Water is alive. We must protect the water. Have you heard the stop line 5?
We must protect the water.
Stop this now, yes, we must survive.
We must protect the water.
Those water is life. Water is life for the people. Water is alive. We must protect the water. We must protect the water. Oh, we must protect the water. 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 Water is life. Oh, water is life for the people. Water is alive. We must protect the water. We must protect the water.
All right, wasn't that great?